जान करा।
हीरिए 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 हीरिए
टुट गईया चुन्नी मैं तारे रहीया सोचा विच तेरिया पईया हानिया।
सारी सारी रात जगावे यादां नू जिक्र तरावे आए क्यों ना आए सुभावे हानिया।
तेरी होके मरा जिंद जान करा, तेरी होके मरा जिंद जान करा।
हीरिए 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 छेती आ छेती सोने रात ना लंगे आ जावे आजा सोने रात ना लंगे। छेती आ छेती सोने रात ना लंगे आ जावे आजा सोने रात ना लंगे।
जद भी तेनू तकदी आवे अखियां भी शुक्र मनावे कोले दूर न जावे हानिया।
पलकां दी करके छावां दिल दे तैनू कोल बिठावां तक तक तैनू खैरा पावां हानिया तेरी हानिया तेरी
तेरी
हानिया तेरी
तेरी होके मरा जिंद जान करा, तेरी होके मरा जिंद जान करा।
हीरिए 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 हानिया तेरी आधा तेरा इश्क आधा मेरा ऐसे हो पूरा चंद्रमा। ओ तारा तेरा एक तारा मेरा बाकी अंधेरा आसमां। न तेरे संग लागे बांधे जो पीपल पे धागे ये सुरम के धारे बहते हैं नजरे बचा के। बदरंग में सतरंगा है ये इश्क रे जोगी में और गंगा है ये इश्क रे। बदरंग में सतरंगा है ये इश्क रे जोगी में और गंगा है ये इश्क रे। ओ, ओ, माथे से लगा लूं हाथ छू के मैं पैर तेरे हो रख लूं मैं तन पे जख्म बना सारे बैर तेरे। रुकना नी तू हुण रुसड़ा नी मैं तेरा नी रहा तेना खुद दा भी मैं। दुनिया तू ही है मेरी पर नाना अब नाना मैं नहीं आना शहर तेरे जो फिर संग लागे रखते वो हमको जला के, वो आधे झूठे वादे ले जा तू कसमें लगा के। रग रग में मलंगा है ये इश्क रे, क्यों लहू में ही रंगा है ये इश्क रे। हो बदरंग में सतरंगा है ये इश्क रे, जोगी मैं और गंगा है ये इश्क रे। तू मेरी सारी यादें पानी में आज बहा दे, ये तेरी भीगी आंखें रख लूं लबों से लगा के। मैं समंदर परिंदा है ये इश्क रे, मन मातम और जिंदा है ये इश्क रे। हो बदरंग में सतरंगा है ये इश्क रे, जोगी मैं और गंगा है ये इश्क रे। ओ बदरंग में सतरंगा है ये इश्क रे, जोगी मैं और गंगा
के विच दो में रंग के। दिल नूरा वेख दे दे लब के, हो रंग इश्के विच दो में रंग के। दिल नूरा वेख दे दे लब के। माही सोहणिया असा तैनू चुन्निया, तेरे नाल दी मैं भी तेरी हो गया। माही सोहणिया असा तैनू चुन्निया, मेहंदी तेरे नाल दी मैं भी तेरी हो गया। तेनू दिता माही रखी वे तू सांभ के, रखूंगी ख्याल मैं भी तू है मेरा मान वे। गोडे गोडे जा मैनू तेरे घर दा, अम्मी वारू पानी साडे दोहां कोलों आड़ के। तू ते मैं देख दोवें नचदे, सोहणे लगदे किन्ने सोहणे लगदे। माही सोहणिया असा तैनू चुन्निया, मेहंदी तेरे नाल दी मैं भी तेरी हो गया। ख्वाबां विच ख्वाब सजाए सजना सी तेरे नाल, आले हुण पूरे हो गए लड़ी ना वे मेरे नाल। हीर तेरी मैं होया मेरा तू है राजया, फुल्ला जे हरिश्तार असा हुण सांभना। किते वादे निभावी ढोलना, लावी ढोलिया कल नाल लावी ढोलना। माही सोहणिया असा तैनू चुन्निया, मेहंदी तेरे नाल
आसमानों में, रब के दीवानों में भी मुझसा न कोई, मैं दीवाना तेरा। चल तुझे बांध के सांसों की वो डोर से, ले चलूं वहां पे जो ठिकाना तेरा। मैं भी तारियां तो सजी डोली बह के आई हाँ, जग नू भुला के मैं तो तेरी हो गई हाँ। तेनू भी पता है सोने सजना दीवाने मेरे, मैं भी तेरे प्यार में तेरी जोगन हो गई हाँ। सारी जिंदड़ी तेरे नाल तुर चलिया, दिन सगना वाला पार कर चलिया। सारी जिंदड़ी तेरे नाल तुर चलिया, दिन सगना वाला पार कर चलिया। मदानिया
दर्शवाः स्वस्तिनः पूषा विश्वेदाः स्वस्तिनः तारकर्षिणः स्वस्तिनः बृहस्पतिर्जातो स्वस्तिनः स्वस्तिनः बृहस्पतिर्जातो ओम इष्टदेवताभ्यो नमः। सेंट्रल ओम वादशेतानि नामनिराते संग्रामे सकलते भविष्यते शुक्लांबरधरं देवं शशिवर्णं दशनवदनं ध्याये सर्वे प्रशाते सर्वमंगलमांगल्येषु सर्वार्थसाधिके शरणे त्र्यम्बके सर्वदा कार्येषु नास्तेषां नवम्मा तेषां ददिस्तो भगवान् मंगलाय तौरिः तदेव लग्नं सिद्धनं तदेव ताराबलचन्द्रदेव विद्याबलं देवबलदेव लक्ष्मीपते देवसुरामे ताभस्तेषां जयस्तेषां उतस्तेषां राज्याः तेषामतिवर्ष्यामो हृदयस्तुजनार्दनः विनायकं गुरुं भानुं ब्रह्म विष्णुमीश्वरान् सरस्वती प्रटम्यादो सर्वकार्यात् सिद्धये अभिर्सिद्धार्थसिद्ध्यर्थं पूजितोय सुरासुरैः सर्वविघ्नहरस्तस्मै गणाधिपतये नमः। सर्वेश्वरार्थकारेषु यस्मिन्नेश्वरः जीवादिशब्दस्पर्शमेषां प्रार्थनाः लक्ष्मीनाभ्यां नमः। कुलदेव रामदेव विष्णुदेव कुलदेव रामदेव विष्णुदेव आई वडील सर्वांचे हात जोडवा। इष्टदेवताभ्यो नमः, कुलदेवताभ्यो नमः, रामदेवताभ्यो नमः, तापदेवताभ्यो नमः, वास्तुदेवताभ्यो नमः, आराध्यदेवताभ्यो नमः, आदित्यादिदेवताभ्यो नमः। सर्वेभ्यो देवेभ्यो नमः, सर्वेभ्यो नमः, सर्वेभ्यो प्राणिभ्यो नमो नमः। लोकांनी म्हणूया प्रारब्ध कार्यं निर्विघ्नं निर्विघ्नस्तु सुखिति नक्ति भवन्तो भवन्तु प्रारब्ध कार्यं निर्विघ्नमस्तु अनाशुभं शोभनं अस्तु सुखिति भवन्तो भवन्तु शुभं शोभनमस्तु। न जाने कमे तिंजनाथ वेद गलती है हरिषद विदुष्ट जोदास उसने के ब्रह्मा ब्रह्माता को साक्षात दुष्ट के सत्य नहीं आचार्य श्रीदाचार्य श्री जपदम नहीं श्री राम कृष्ण को क्या उदक श्री आप प्रसिद्ध विष्णु राज्य प्रोतमाने विद्यासी आटे बोल के जुपुत विवेक पंडित भारत देश श्री परशुराम क्षेत्रे सयाम एदं किशाम दत्ते या दक्षिणे दिले तो पाव से काको श्वेतवार आ गए वे दृष्टाग्नि बहुधाव दर्शनानि वर्षों वार के विश्वावस नाम संगत परे दक्षिणायने ये मंत्र को पोष मासे से कबक्षे उद्यत्स्या गुवात्रावास वस्तो धारवास श्री वक्त वस्तो दैन परिस्वर्ण without then the thing when out you think it's right we got if anyone has done काश्यप वो से उत्पन्न मतलब बस we thought it when you शर्ब हेमन अलाउ केदार शर्मणः कुमारस्य विश्वः शुभम उपते करिष्यमाण विवाह अंगभूषम अद्य कन्या निरीक्षणं वाक् द्रवणं गणपति पूजनं वरुण पूजनं च अहत् करिष्ये सोमैत तुम मुझे गनाव्या Srinivasa means Sharma, Sharam, Rabakama, Sharanya, Namya, Kanyakaya, Ismaha, Shubhamurte, Shubham, Parishamana, Vivaha, Vivaha, Angabo, Dampu, Andabu, Atya, Hakdanum, Vakya, Garanapati, Garatapi, Ujanam, Varuna, Ujanam, Sekis, Shatan Ujanarija, Ahad, Garish, Support. Cada davan de shake from cutting to wild me right to south for the Ikama Ayami, Banana some the woman use the on that. Banana was in the set, but I will let Sukan and Raha, Womarana, but Arbit County, Jotima, this out here on our points, the slaughter trade. It's the southern of Mat, they ship here with the top of the watch, a chatting of my heart, Ayami, over the summer in the party, Ayami, over the Swama, Awahana, the two dance of Yami. Voi pessoal asana de trabalho para Yami, radio, radio, radio do Yami, esta organização samar Yami, ajam samar Yami, nanam samar Yami, padyam samar Yami, arga samar Yami, ajadriyam samar Yami, kanan samar Yami, pete paswa mahani kahan, stroke was baatre, abshatan samar Yami, la was bahat, Astrobos Radix, Yami, Homus, taking heart of the only that Yami, one more verse from I did not have Galepa, Yami. This is loud Mahami, you can't let it out. That's what I'm saying. What God is what we are, you don't know. Well, I can talk about a further right. Said I caught. This is not going to lie. Sakala Sophia, Yan Sabak Yami, one more verse Mahat, or my honor of the Mahat. Should have known that I did. Should have. Olha tudo depois do tipo that's the which is big ada berarti mati circulação não dá para estar para Yami ou já de escolha sabe a Yami né para esse pulling bom bolo pessoa marca não tem amor mas depois de parte tu vai mas é para Yami se for mais só no han mas é verdade de pouco os tábidos a sábado tem que ir aí I spent about question job doing all the mission snack avec in other person una kan do for not there's a banana to that the Georgia man do so said about the go so long I said they are saying it is cup party and it get about culture there una ta ta sai do ai me that the go hack like a culture cut I did have from there that is a password never that part खाना है स्वाहा मपाना है स्वाहा पियाना है स्वाहा दाना है स्वाहा है स्वाहा उस नाम का वर्ड Even the summer Payami, one is already with the part of the both take arch that the water, the people up with all, you don't never keep up to now, how it was transferred, but what that says, it's going to get like it. And yeah, with a part of the Japan, the chart of the ride in the part of the home, the city of him, the first farm out in Napa. That is the way they become a Mahamad to Manu from a cat and push batters, but the Namaskoromi, Mahagan is more than that. Anaka used to them some of the lot, give us a Bakari to that, Awa, the Dala, he's got I'm so was Guma, Jan Jana, take me down when I go. Aramis give I think the that rate. Having like my son of others and I go. That's an arm some Jani. I offer us again, I should point down my house if you have with the boat was so shape of not and the mother says that they got to live after. Mấy điều sự là những cái là hỗ trợ để rồi thì có thể có sẽ làm được làm khi trở về rồi nó sẽ nó sẽ là áp được đó rồi thì cái sẽ là những cái là rồi rồi cái được phải xây dựng mà về cái là sinh sinh mà anh vẫn bảo đó ở chuẩn bị và sai được mà đi sẽ ăn với mà quan làm bác thì là anh được tôi chuẩn bị cái và cái cái số cái đáp với số tiền của nó tôi đi qua bắt mà đáp cái cao là spy was listening in hey đó cái start up cái Sierra Nan Dash, Adishida, Bagaha, and Hagan, Renate, Urania, was a fire by Naha, Urania, but you only should not you ask Gaza, but that's she got to the Manaha, look at us when you start to go, that's what I doesn't have that was the but now I should go to this book. The diner should check all this is about unless you were now of the five and out the manufacturers, we go here up to shut the oil. Okay. Kalashe one of San Varak Sai Dhamma, Shashakti Dhamma Bhavai to start them with or the five that's true. You are respecting that and I was of a well. What was the way I am a hat? Now I'll be asked to beat it out. And so keep out series of a hat because someone will do my own portable mainly. वरुण पत्नी वास वास जाते पुष्पम वामी वो जाते वो से है या में वो उसका हाथ है कहा तो हो so hard my neck is why उसका और मुझे सुनना है वहाँ पे आप देखते हैं तो वो पे प्ले कर दो अरे तार की बात है सब तो यार जब हमारे परिणाम की वो जाते हैं को समझ को यार वो जाते पुष्पम समझ को यार में और मां अरे न जाते पता तो मतलब ये बात कल हाथ सवाल यहाँ सवाल अभी तेरा हाथ सवाल देख कितना स्टोर तुम्हारे साथ और मां अच्छा बस के इंटरेस्ट था ओ kalau saya sendiri cuma dia mata has boleh terus काम dia mata has dah so seperti itu cara cara lebih dosis lebih dasar lebih करना है वे चेतार वे जंप स्पष्ट dah terkait itu sabit dishant dishti dah ayan to momomana sama शांति और कब्रस्तान या है तर जैसा कि कहा आयात itu mah besar itu shit lah before stop itu bos start और जित वही बनाए कि चौथे जो वैश्व का बोल so से बात रहा शब्द तो बात रहा स्मार्ट एकदम तो सेक्शन का था आप और ही बात रहा Bom, nessa aqui, you should be listening. Just got up to the thing about that's like there was out of well, one that I was going to come out. I just got the don't get paid, but take leave Jay, but I don't show there. You can just out and target push the every second day. It's put on the number like to fit like to watch out and put out with out. This week of that pass. But what up, he was all I wish I got to listen at the world. What do you got me here? इस आवश्यक चीज़ लगे हुए थे भाई तो सर हाँ सर क्या हर चीज़ मतलब तभी सर जरूर डाले ले इन्हें सही तो मम्मा में जो मतलब के 10 डॉलर में कराई चाहिए मतलब तो काय ऑप्शनच नाही है कैसे दे वो बात तेरे विचार देख के है क्योंकि बरोबर तुम्ही आई वडील मुली विचारत होते आलो तशी जात मुली आई वडिलांना सांगतात घरी का नाही मला करायचंच नाही नाहीतर मी करणारच नाही तुला काय करता ऑप्शनच आता सगळं आम्हाला मंत्र चेंज करायला लागतो तुला म्हणणार ऐसा करा तो यार फिर आया सब गया तो बाजी ले ले चार्जिंग को लगाने का बैटरी आप राजा ना तो सो है तो मारो उनको बात देना ला इस आवाज तो वो तो बात है मन को नो के और यार that's the best अच्छा नहीं है वो मुझे
हर एक हर समय अपनी कहानी के करता हूँ मैं जिक्र तेरा तुझ में गुम हूँ जब से मिला है मेरे दिल से दिल तेरा ना जाने फिर यूं संग चल कर वक्त ले आया है मुझको तेरे दिल ये हवाएं बहती जाए ये दिखाए सारे मंजर जिनमें तू मेरी राहें चलती जाए ये बातें मेरी मंजिल है अब ही तू दिल भी ये मेरा ढूंढे तेरा रास्ता तू मेरी सुबह तू ही मेरा ये आसमां अब साथ है तू लिख दो हमारी रास्ता मेरे दिल पे हक है तेरा तू बना जो आशना इश्क का दरिया तर के जाऊं अब है तेरा साथ हाँ मेरा लक्ष्य है तू और तू ही मेरा साथ मेरा लक्ष्य है तू के धानी चूनर तेरी मेरे ख्वाबों को पंख लगे हैं उड़ने लगा हूँ नीले अंबर में तेरी आँखों के उस समंदर में मोड़ के सारी राहें मेरी आ रहा हूँ तेरी ओर। अब तो मेरी है ये दुआएं पास लाए तुझे ये हवाएं संग हो मेरे तेरा हर पल मेरी रूह भी तुझ में समाए तुझ में समाए।
जाग के सारी सारी रातें तुझको सोचा करती रहूं आजा ख्वाबों सारी राहों में मेरी बाहों है दुआओं में आजा ख्वाबों सारी राहों में मेरी बाहों है दुआओं में आजा ख्वाबों सारी राहों में मेरी बाहों है दुआओं में आके तेरी झलक ही करने लगा है दिल में शोर।
अब तो मेरी है ये दुआएं पास ले आए तुझे ये हवाएं संग हो मेरे तेरा हर पल मेरी रूह भी तुझ में समाए।
पीछे वाले जो भेजे पूरी लड़की वाले okay now everybody loud it together come on here we go 3 2 1 come on well done okay now well done Amnya fil Konkani okay Marathi Hindi I mean like Hindi understanding Hindi understanding English okay we'll use a blend of all languages okay done let's get it done okay now Kokani Sodun? Okay, no problem. Okay, what we'll do is that before I start, I always have these two questions coming up from my side, okay? First question, are you all happy this day? Are you all happy? Louder, yaar. Shore machna chahiye. Come on, louder. Are you happy? Are you excited? Then can we all clap a bit louder? Zordar taaliyan honi chahiye. Well done, okay now. And we're gonna have two rules throughout. First rule, your smile, your energy has to be double the amount. Say hi. जब मैं आपको hi बोल दूँ, आपको जोर से hello बोलना है. Come on, hi. Louder. I come from a place that's almost around 35 kilometers. I don't know who's traveled the longest. Who's traveled the longest from here? किधर से आए? Mumbai. Okay. Almost 500-600. Mumbai वासी कहाँ पे? Mumbai वालों. Okay. Anybody from Pune? You need to say hello. Alright, come on, hi. And when I say hello, you need to raise your hands and you say hi. Come on, hello. सबका साथ सबका विश्वास सबके हाथ ऊपर यार. Come on, hello. और जब भी मैं आपको ओला बोल दूँ, ओला आपको ला 3 बार बोलना है. Come on, ओला. Perfect. और जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Can we all clap a bit louder? Perfectly done. Okay, what we'll do is that we'll require maybe 3 people from team ladke wale and 3 people from team ladki wale. Okay. Then let me see who are the ones, elder ones. Okay. Do be here. Just come up and let me see who are the ones. Come on. Anybody of you will do. Just have to come and stand next to me. All right, friends, cousins, जो भी आ जाओ. You can come. You can come along. All right, 3 of them. Jaldi, come on. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, we'll have the kids first. Okay, आ जाओ. Come on. And we'll require 1 adult partner. Okay. So, which side are you? Team bride or team groom? All right, come on, quicker. 3 people just to come and stand next to me. Jaldi, come on, quick. Alright, come on, we have to win, huh? We have to win. It's a jugalbandi between team ladki wale and team ladke wale, okay? Done, let's get it done. Okay, मेरी right side में आ जाओ, team bride. Team bride on my right side. You have one mobile phone, right? And we have team groom on my left side. Jaldi, come on. We'll create some energy this side. Let's see if we can just stretch out some energetic music on the phone as well. Okay, Jan, okay. So we have this team bride, okay, team Sharanya and team Kedar, okay. So we require one phone on this side. Phone है आपके पास? एक mobile phone. You have a phone, please carry up. आपको यहाँ से जाना है. I'll give it 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds में आपको take a selfie with the audience. Okay, listen, okay. Take a selfie जिसमें excitement होनी चाहिए. I need to see the smiles, everybody smiling and everybody should be involved. Make them stand right, chillana hai. You can take a video as well, okay? Take a video as well, but I need everybody in there. Everybody smiling, look into the picture. The brightest one, you can take as many as possible. Only one phone, okay? Everybody should be in the picture, okay? You have to go to the audience, make them stand right, haath upar, okay? I should see the excitement, everything should be rolled on. Alright, Jan, I'll give you just 30 seconds, nothing from you. You have to go to the audience, make them stand right. Alright, your time starts now. Come on, run, come on. Alright, come on, sure. I need to see the loudness from your side. Sure to machao yaar, come on, sure machni chahiye. Well done, perfect, come on. Something more to cheer up, come on, the best selfie in the picture, come on. Sabki smile aani chahiye, come on, let me see the smiles coming up. I think we got a good video. Testing, one check. Alright, come on, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, well done. Zordar taaliyan honi chahiye. Can we all clap for everybody, okay? And now show me one picture that you've taken. Okay, select one picture. Let me see which team is the winner. Chale, video. Okay, let's see which team is the winner. Yeah. I see the bright smile. Okay. Taken a lovely picture. Okay, now audience, kya lagta hai? Who is the winner? Team groom or team bride? Alright, you just have to shout out either Sharanya or Kedar. Okay. चिल्लाओ जिसकी आवाज भारी रहेगी. I'll see a poll from my side as well. Result will be from my side. You can either shout out Sharanya or Kedar. Loudly, come on. Who is the winner? आवाज नहीं आ रही. A bit louder. Come on. Who is the winner? Alright, okay now. And the winner, okay, just from my side, the winner is team Sharanya and Kedar. मुझे भी safely घर जाना है भाई. Okay, anyways, well done. Can we all clap and please have a seat? जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए यार. Okay, maybe in Konkani, maybe in Hindi, Marathi, Punjabi, Odia, Kannada, Malayalam, Telugu, Tamil, जो भी languages है, I'll translate it up. आपको बताना है हिंदी मूवी कौन सी है. But you can't shout out. You just come and sit on this chair and give me the answer. We're gonna have the points up. जिसके भी point ज़्यादा होंगे at the end of maybe 10. We're gonna find the winner. Okay, done. You just have to come and sit on the chair. Let me see which team wins it up. Okay, I'll maybe translate in English, maybe Tamil, Telugu, Odia, Punjabi, okay, Marathi, जो भी है. Okay, done. So are you ready? Louder, yes. Are you ready? Alright, here we kursi बैठना. No chorus answers. Okay. Now the first title. अगर गलत हो गया तो -1 holds. Okay. The first title I'm translating in English and the title says something happens. You have to sit on the chair and give me the answer. अगर same team है तो okay. Okay, she says 1. Give me the answer, sir. Answer. Okay. Anybody else want to try it off? Okay, anybody else want to try it off? Come on. One simple answer, you win this prize. Come on. Something happens. कुछ होता है. Okay, madam, which team? Team Bride. Okay, and they win 1 point. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Can we all clap? Please have a seat. You can't come back now. Okay, somebody else has to come back. Okay, now let me see who gives the next one. Okay, and the next one it says the one who wins is the king. You have to sit on the chair and give me the answer. Okay, fine. We'll make it more easier next round. Okay, sir, what's the answer?
जो जीता वही से.
Okay, anybody else wants to give the answer? Come on. The one who wins is the. Okay, sir. Okay, somebody here. Okay. Come on, quickly. Hindi movie honi chahiye. Okay, done. Give me the answer. No? Yes, done. Answer. Which team? Team Bride. Colorful. Rangila is the right answer. Can we all clap for her, please? Well done. No point. Alright, so super speedy. Yeah? Okay. Anybody else? वाघ जीता है, वाघ जीवंत आहे, वाघ जिवंत आहे. I find the right translation, I don't know. Okay, John, anybody else want to try it out? Come on. वाघ जिवंत आहे. I hope I translated right in the Marathi. Okay, anybody else? Come on, give it up, give it up. Anybody else? Come on. Lock कर दिया क्या? Okay. Which team, madam? Team Bride, huh? Come on, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Well done, okay. Okay. Okay, done. 3-1. Okay, next one. Next one it says in English, and the title says, raise your hands, okay? And the title says, Who am I to you? I'll give you a chance now, okay? Answer. Okay, answer. Okay, sir. Okay, fine. Anybody else? Come on. Who am I to you is the question. Give me the translated Hindi movie title. Okay. Bridegroom side, दोनों तरफ से. Okay, done. Anyways, fine. Which team? Groom. Okay, and same है. Okay, done. चलेगा. Okay. We'll give the points. 2 points to team Groom. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए यार. I mean like 2 points, 3 points. So total बता रहा हूँ मैं. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए यार. Okay, we need to clap for both the teams. Okay, now next title. Okay, the next title and a very famous movie, and the title says, raise your hands. Okay, and the title says, I have given away my heart, darling. Ah, Ivan in yellow. Huh? Okay. 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 Answer. Okay. Anybody? I have given away my heart, darling. So you can please sit on the other side. Maybe आप कुर्सी इस तरफ भी लाके आ सकते हैं. क्योंकि धूप बहुत है यहाँ पे. Okay. Anybody else? Come on. I have given away my heart, darling. Sir, on the top. Anybody on the top as well? Just raise your hand. Give me the answer. Come on. Anybody up? No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Okay. We'll give the points this side. Which team? Team Groom, yeah. Alright, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on, they're coming back with experience, okay? Now we'll see if we can give this run right, okay? And the title says, raise your hands, okay? Title says, the heart refuses to listen. Somebody else, okay? Somebody else. Somebody, new phrases. I think she already given. I'll check it out. If even one word is wrong, I'll minus it up, okay? Okay, at the back. Okay. I'll see new faces, huh? Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, done. Well done. Okay, and which team, madam? Yeah. Alright. Okay, fine. Anyways, can we all clap? Zordar taaliyan ho jaye. Everybody should enjoy. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye. So 4-3 this side. Okay, and moving on to the next one. And the next title says very famous again. And let me give this one. Okay, and the title says Alone Me, Alone You. Okay, I'll give you a chance this time. This one. Okay, this side. Yes, madam. Okay, fine. Anybody else? Come on, किसी के पास अलग जवाब? Yes, अभी कोई से नहीं. Alright, answer. हाँ? एक में यार. Alright, anyways, fine. Answer. Okay, well done. And I'll give the points this time. Which team? The one at the back. Fine, okay. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. They're coming back. Okay, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. I think so. It's 4-all. Now, whoever answers this one, अकेले हम अकेले तुम. Okay, now last one for this round. The one who gives this right answer will win this round. Okay, final one. I'm translating in English. Very famous movie, and title says, are you ready? Loud yes. Are you ready? Sure. Alright, and the title says, if it is wrong, -1, okay? Title says, tax. T-A-X. Tax, okay. Okay. Anybody else? Come on. Tax को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? उसके हिसाब से टाइटल ढूंढ लो और मुझे बता दो. Come on. Tax. Okay. किधर है? 3 को ना लगाना. Anybody else? Come on. Give me one title, famous one. Come on. Tax को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? इसके हिसाब से टाइटल बता दो. Come on. Okay. Now let me see. Okay. हमने फिल कर्ज. ये राइट आंसर होना चाहिए. हाथ ऊपर. इधर yes और no बता दो. No. Okay. किसने बताया था? No. Alright, now. Okay. हमने फील रेड सिट विद राइट आंसर. रेड. No. जुर्माना. No. Okay. हमने फील जुर्माना नहीं है. Okay. हमने फील Okay. लगान वाले किधर है? लगान should be the wrong answer. Okay. लगान is the right answer. I think so. She was the one who came in first. You. Sir, what's which team? Alright, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Can we all clap for him, please? Well done. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए यार. Well done. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Okay, if we're gonna say yes to somebody, किसी को yes बोलते हैं, तो how do you move a neck? How do we say yes? How do we say yes? Yes कैसे बोलते हैं? Yes ऐसे बोलते हैं. How do we say no? No कैसे बोलते हैं? No is this way, right? I'll come back to that, okay? Now, we just have to think the opposite, do the opposite, okay? If we have to say yes, we're gonna move our neck this way. Yes, say along, okay? So yes is this way, no is this way. Simple. So when I start, I would say yes, and I'll pass on the mic to him. I say yes, you're gonna say no. I say yes, you say no, but you move your neck this way, okay? No. Opposite. Everything is opposite. If I say yes, you're gonna say no, but move your neck this way. This is no. This is no for you, okay? This is yes for you. Done? But whatever I say, opposite. बोलना है आपको. Done? Simple. Let's just say simple trial, okay? I say yes, you say no. I say no, you say yes. Okay, done? Here we go. No. Say along.
Yes.
Yes is this way. उल्टा है, okay? Done? Okay. Yes.
No.
No is this way. Yes.
No.
Yes. No.
Yes.
Yes is this way. Okay, remember. Yes.
Yes. No.
I say yes.
No.
Perfect. Okay, now we are done with the trials. Can we all clap for them, please? Let's see who wins it up. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए या तो शोर मचा दो. Okay, done. Here we go. Whoever is out. Okay, thank you so much. बैठ जाओ. Okay, done. Will do. And hello, बच्चा buddies. अब यहाँ पे आ जाओ, बैठ जाओ. You can sit down there on the sofas. Alright, Jan, here we go. Come on, let's see which team wins it up, okay? 3, 2, 1. And I'll start with this side, okay? Yes.
No.
Perfect. No. No. Perfect. Yes.
No.
Yes. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Please have a seat in the front. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye. Come closer. Come on. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
No.
What?
No.
Yes.
No.
No. Yes.
I'll be very fast, huh? No second chance. Okay, here we go. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
No. No. Check. That's it. No.
Yes.
Check. All right. Yes. No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
You are super confident, यार. मैं जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on. Here we go. No.
Yes.
No. No.
Yes.
Yes.
Check. No. No. Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, good day. I was thank you so much. Come on. Yes. हाँ बैठ जाओ. Clap for. Come on. Here we go. No. No.
Yes.
हाँ very good. बैठ जाओ. Okay. No. No.
Yes.
No. Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
You're playing super special, huh? जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए यार. Come on. Here we go. No. Yes.
Oh, okay, no.
Okay, आ जाओ. Can we all clap for him? Come on, well done, okay? No.
Yes.
Yes. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes. No.
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 Yes.
Yes.
No.
No. Yes. Check. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
You're playing super special, huh? Let's make it a bit more faster. तालियां होनी चाहिए, audience. Can we clap a bit louder? Come on, here we go. No.
Yes.
Yes. No.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
No.
Faster. No. Yes.
No.
No. Ah. Alright, come on. So we have. I think so. You are from team. All right, so we have a perfect match. Aaja, ऊपर आ जाओ. Come on, let everybody be seen. All right, come on. We have one from team bride, one from team groom. Perfect competition. So जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Can we all clap for them? Okay. Okay, what is? क्या लगता है कौन जीतने वाला है? Who is the winner? What's your name, ma'am? Priyasi and Aisha. Okay, can we all clap for both of them? Let me see who wins this task now. And faster, okay, faster. Come on. Yes.
No.
Ah, yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Faster. Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
No.
You said? Sorry again. Yes.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
No. Ah. All right, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Can we all clap again? We are the winner from team. चिल्लाओ यार, come on, चिल्लाओ, come on. All right, thank you so much. You get 1 point. Okay, so please be seated. बैठ जाओ. Okay, well done. Congratulations. Only husbands will hold the बनमाला. Husband के पास बनमाला. I'll tell you क्या task है. Audience तालियां बजाएंगे आपके लिए. Okay, now so what we'll do is that I'm gonna have something up. Okay, so मैं जब भी बोलूँगा 3, 2, 1. Okay, आपको वरमाला फेंकनी है. Okay, वाइफ में गले में. Okay, गले में पड़ गई तो you move to the next round. Otherwise, thank you so much. Okay, लेकिन no cheating. Okay, you can't bend. आपको bend नहीं होना है, झुकना नहीं है. Okay, फेंकनी है. मैं like throw it up. I won't use. No, he will throw it up. Okay, you just have to stand there. Wives have to stand there wherever you are. Audience, can we all clap for them, please? जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए यार. Well done. Ladies, झुकना नहीं है. Come on, here we go. 3, 2, 1, come on. Well done, everybody is in. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Now, ladies, you back the mala. एक step पीछे आ जाओ. Come on, 1 step पीछे आ जाओ. Alright, now increase the distance. थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ. और पीछे. Husbands, wherever you are standing, be there. Okay, done. वापस माला वापस दे दो. Okay? Done. Here we go. Once again, okay? Only when I say 3, 2, 1, you have to थोड़ा पीछे आना पड़ेगा आपको. और थोड़ा पीछे. Okay, done. And you just have to move 1 step ahead now. एक step आगे जाओ. थोड़ा आगे. Done. Perfect. Okay, now here we go. 3, 2, 1, come on. Okay, 1, 2, 3. थोड़ा पीछे. Alright, here we go. 3, okay. थोड़ा नाचो गाओ. And only when I say 3, 2, 1, माला फेंकनी है. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, come on. झुकना नहीं है. Anyways, fine. अभी आप संभाल दो सर. Anyways, जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Can we all clap for them? Okay, well done. Okay, now you all have to come this side. थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ. Sir, come this side. Come. Here we go. Only when I say 3, 2, 1, उसके बाद फेंकनी है. Okay, no bending, sir. Here we go. Come on, 3, 2, 1. No bending, हाँ sir, no bending. और एक step पीछे. Okay, madam, can you come this side? Sir, थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ. Oh my God. Okay, one more step पीछे. Okay, थोड़ा पीछे लाइन के बाहर. ये लाइन जो दिख रही है उसके पीछे आ जाओ. और थोड़ा पीछे. Come on. Here we go. Come on, one more time. 3, 2, 1. Check. Alright, well done. Good job. Okay, दोनों के जोरदार तालियां हो जाए यार. Well done. Okay, thank you so much. You want to recreate this? Ma'am, take a picture this side. Okay, now we are almost all set for the bridal entry. Keep clapping, come on. Fill it up, the moment is here. And you're all gonna dance up together, come on. JPCM, nacho, come on, you see the hands up in the air, come on. Thank you so much. Everybody is here. We need to see the loudness from both the sides, okay? Okay, Team Sharanya and Team Kedar, be ready for the loudest cheer, okay? Please! सिर्फ एक ही बंदा चिल्ला रहा है. One more time, come on. Team Kedar, make some noise, please. All right, and Team Bride, make some noise, please. यहाँ पे टीम लीडर एक ही है, टीम लीडर एक ही है। यहाँ से विसल बज रही है शायद। One more time, come on, Team Bride, make some noise, please. और अब सब साथ में चिल्लाएंगे। Come on, here we go. 3, 2, 1, come on. And audience, you just have to make some noise, तालियां बजाने with every word that he uses. Okay? Done? Are you ready? Louder, louder. Are you ready? All right. The ones in the front, you can just have a sit across. Please, बैठ जाओ, बैठ जाओ.
To the audience,
Okay, आ जाओ,
Arshia,
आ जाओ.
Varun,
वरुण, वरुण कहाँ पे? वरुण, वरुण, वरुण कहाँ पे? वरुण जल्दी आ जाओ, come on. अभी choose your side, huh? And Giri, okay, Giri, please आ जाओ. And Sharanya from your side, you can choose anybody, yeah? Somebody who can run a bit.
I'm choosing Myra. Prisha. Deepthi. Oh my god. Can I choose more people?
We have many things coming up, so you can keep it.
Anaisha. And Ahana.
All right, well done. इनके लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Can we all clap for both the teams? Okay, now you all have to come down. Okay, come. Only 4 of them are here. 5th one कौन है? Okay, now first thing you just have to run and find a chair for yourself. Okay, listen. Okay, chair for yourself and empty chairs. Now let's make a big circle and place it up. Okay, done. Come, everybody, come on, run, quick. Get a chair for yourself. Quickly run, come on.
Anaisha, come on, guys. Come on.
Take some chairs on the other side. Okay, it's too sunny. Okay, chalega, no problem. Okay, now. Check. Okay. Okay, you might have played this game called Simon Says. Okay, this has a wedding version of that. Okay, so what I'll do is that I'll just ask you to get some things from the audience. Okay, उठा के लेके आनी है. उसके बाद you have to sit on the chair. You have to sit on the chair. That is more compulsory. Okay. If you find a chair, you move to the next round. Otherwise, कल मिलते हैं. Okay, done. कल नहीं शाम को मिलते हैं. Okay, done. So we'll have something very simple. We'll have something very risky as well. So please take care of yourself. And only if you find a chair, we are moving to the next round. No other chair comes in the center, except for these 10 chairs in the front. Okay, done. And let's see who wins this Stars Cup. Okay, the first round will have something very easy where everybody gets a chair. So you have to run from here and find that thing. Uske baad you have to come and sit on the chair. If that thing, find that thing that I'm asking you to get. I'll ask you to get something, okay? But please note, if that thing I'm asking you to get is with you already, then you can't use that. Alright? Done. For example, a shoe or a sandal. You already have it, right? So you can't find that thing. You have to find somebody from the audience. Done? Alright? Done, done, done. Perfect. Wherever you find a chair, you sit. Okay? Done. Here we go. The first thing I'm asking you to get, run in the audience and get a mobile phone of any brand. Come on, mobile phone of any brand. Come on. Alright? Sit on the chairs. Sitting is more important. Come on, sit on the chair. Mobile phone of any brand. Come on, quickly. Aram se, okay? Okay, make sure you return it back later on. Otherwise, the bill will be on my account. Okay, done. Okay, now, and next thing, okay, you have to return this phone. Listen, okay, you have to return this phone. And I'll take off one chair now, okay? Whichever chair I remove, that is out. Okay, you can sit wherever you find a chair. Even their chairs you can occupy. It's not that you have to find only this chair. You can go and sit wherever you find a chair. Okay, done. Next thing, you have to run in the audience and find a chashma. Come on, find a chashma. Chashma, goggle, whatever you find. Okay, get it up. Alright. Oh my God. What's your name? Anaisha के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Can we all clap? Anaisha will come for the next round. Okay, please have a seat. Return. Whenever I say return, you can return. Okay, done. Okay, next round. Okay, run in the audience. Okay, and I'm removing one more chair. Okay, and please note you can sit wherever you find a chair. Okay, now run in the audience and find a wristwatch. Come on, watch. Ghadi, come on. Find a ghadi. Come on, watch. You should not use yours, huh? You should not use yours. Find a ghadi, come on. Alright, done, taken. Okay, now you didn't find a chair. Okay, anyways, can we all clap? What's your name, sir? Varun, okay, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. पीछे वाले तालियां बजा दो. Okay, next up, okay. Next up is a bit riskiest thing, or maybe we'll use. Okay, fine. We'll have one more chair remove, then we'll come the first riskiest thing. Okay, done. Run in the audience and find a lady purse. Come on, ladies purse. Aram se. Whenever you move to the next round, then you have to return. Okay, done. Return the old item. Listen, okay. Return those old items. I'll be removing maybe one chair. Return those old items and find. Okay, you have to sit on the chair. Okay. Find a gentleman with a mustache. Come on, जिनको मूंछें हो. Come on. Find a gentleman with a mustache. Come on. उनको लेके आना है. Come on, जल्दी. Gentleman with a mustache. Come on, जिनको मूंछें हो. Come on. जल्दी. Come on, जिनको मूंछें हो. Come on. So 1, 2. दोनों तरफ से नहीं आ सकते. Here. Come on. A gentleman with a mustache. Come on. One chair is remaining. Which chair? You don't find a gentleman. Finding gentleman with a mustache is so difficult here. You have to get him here. Come on. Get them here. Come on. Come on. Quickly find a gentleman with a mustache. आ जाइए. किसके पार्टनर है? आपके पार्टनर है? Okay. And okay, fine. So partner is already here. Okay. Anyway, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Can we all clap a bit louder? Okay. Now moving to the next 2 chairs. Okay. I'm taking off 2 more chairs. Okay. That means who finds the next chair? Okay. Run in the audience, return this gentleman, okay? You found, return the gentleman and listen, okay? Get a lady wearing a sari. Check. Alright, lady wearing a sari, come on. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Can we all clap for Giri, I suppose, right? Can we all clap? Okay, now I'll remove 2 more chairs now, okay? And please take care, okay? 2 more chairs I'm removing, okay? Okay, done. So all 4 participants, I think so 2 are from team groom and 2 are from team bride. 3 are from team bride. 1 is from team groom, okay? Let me see who wins this up. And run in the audience, okay? Aram se, okay? Run in the audience and listen, okay? And रुलाना नहीं है किसी को. Run in the audience and get a बच्चा. Oh my goodness. भैया बगल में चोरा गांव में ढिंडोरा बच्चा यहीं पे था. दिखा नहीं था. Anyways, fine. Can we all clap for him, please? जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Well done, यार. Okay, now perfect. Okay, and I think so we have only 2 contenders. One is, what's your name? Deepthi, and what's your name? Trisha. Both of you come in. Both of you come in. दोनों bride के ही आ जाओ. Okay, यहाँ पे आ जाओ. But we'll have 1 point to be given as well. So please come, most energetic one. Alright, so we have only 2 contestants and only 1 chair remaining. की कुर्सी remaining. Okay. This is a chair and will involve somebody. Okay. Can I have? Anish is not here. Sir, can you please come? We'll involve you right now. Okay. Alright, this is the chair to be used, okay? Now, sir, what's your name? Ritu ji. Can you all clap for him, please? जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए, okay? Here we go. But you are from team? Right. Okay, same team हो जाएगी, okay? I think so we'll have to use, sir, team group. आ जाओ. Okay, you can be seated here. Okay, so what's your name? Sanjay. इनके लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. So we are using him for this task up. So क्या करना है? Simple सा task है. You have to run in the audience. Listen, okay? 2 tasks है. First task. Okay, you have to go in the audience, complete a task. Second task, sitting on the chair is more important. Okay, जो भी कुर्सी पे बैठा, he or she, yeah, I mean, she is the winner. Okay, done. But you have to involve him now. Okay, but please take care of yourselves. Okay, आराम से, okay? Take care of yourself. Let me see how well you managed to get it done. So, task number 1. Run in the audience, okay? Besides water. Listen, okay? Audience will help you out, but besides water, okay? Listen, okay? Find something eatable or drinkable besides water, okay? Or you have to feed it to him. And then uske baad sitting on the chair is more important. Okay, done? Wait, sir, come there. Okay? You have to feed it to him. Nothing, okay? Nothing harmful. No, okay, something like chutney, but nahi aana, okay? Done? Nothing with water, okay? You can get anything eatable, chocolate bhi chalega. Run in the audience and then feed it to him. Uske baad kursi pe baithna hai. Done? Your time starts now. Come on, something eatable, huh? Hey, बहुत smart है यार. बहुत smart है. Well done यार, come on. Engagement के बाद शक्कर किसने बांटी थी? इसने बांटी थी. Alright, well done. What's your name?
Prisha.
Prisha. Can we all clap for Prisha, please? Prisha के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. ओहो, आपकी स्पोर्ट यहीं पे. भैया आ गए. Anyways, good job. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Well done. Congratulations. Okay, I'll give you the point later on. Okay, so please have a seat. Now we're gonna have something based on Bollywood. Okay, Bollywood फिर से आते हैं, लेकिन this will be based on props. So we have to come closer. Bride and groom also will be involved, and we'll require one table. Some songs with a prop. गाने बजेंगे. We have to pick a prop. Okay, so which side is Team Bride now? You have to come in the front. Team Bride इस तरफ आ जाओ. Complete on the other side. Okay, and Team Groom on the other side. Okay, so क्या करना है? We have to pick a prop. Okay, there is a difference between this and this. ये क्या है? क्या कलर है? Okay, इसे क्या बोलते हैं? Or else. बहुत सारे words है. Okay, but there is difference between this and this. Okay, so याद रखना. Okay, done. So now this is called Favicol. Okay, and बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Okay, जो भी है. Okay, done. I'll not give more hints up. Okay, so आपको जो गाने बजेंगे, let me have one at a time. Okay, maybe this type से कोई आएगा, इस तरफ से कोई एक आएगा. Okay, only they have to pick the prop. Prop ले लिया, that means you are done, sure about it. अगर गलत हो गया तो -1, right हो गया तो +1. Done? No cheating, nothing is allowed. Okay, थोड़ा पीछे इस तरफ आ जाओ. I'll have to be on the other side. Okay, done? No cheating. Okay, so who comes up from the bride side? कौन आ रहा है अभी? Stop. Okay, you just have to pick the prop. Done? And let me just make it clear. Okay, everything. No touch. No touch. Okay, just whisper. Okay, done? Here we go. Everything is on the sides. जो भी पीछे है, you can come in the front and look it up as well. Okay, done? Because it's squeezed up, so please थोड़ा कम है. मैडम थोड़ा इस तरफ आ सकते हो, because the people are sitting at the back. थोड़ा इस तरफ आ जाओ. You can stand this side. Okay, done? Here we go. The first song, and you can play it up. Okay, no stopping. The first song, bit louder. अच्छा जोरन. आप ऐसे मेहंदी करोगे तो. All right. Now listen, आपने ऐसे किया तो वो समझ जाएंगी. Okay, no hindering up. Okay, just get it up, picked up. Okay, next up. आप हो गए. So next up, somebody else can come up. Check. Alright, next team member, please. Next team member. Okay, done. And we have the two contenders one from Team Bride, Team Groom. Okay, pick the prop whenever you find that prop in the music. Okay, done. Here we go. Next song, please. Louder. Alright, check. Well done. Hold on. You already done. Check. Alright.
आँखों में शैतानी हो गई, सैया ने देखा ऐसे मैं पानी हो गई.
Come on. पानी, okay. Alright, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on, 2 and 1 this side. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Okay, Bollywood movies है. Okay, listen to the music first. उसके हिसाब से बाद में निकाल लेना. Never heard of this song? Oh यार. Listen. Okay, the tagline is very famous. It says, क्यों चौंक गए? Alright, well done. Bride squad is getting it up. Come on, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Can we all clap? Okay, now we're gonna have the next song up, and who's coming next? You already showed. It was not, nothing is inside. Nothing inside. Nothing inside. Which is this song? Which is this song? Okay, there was Coca-Cola in there. No. Okay. And it's fine. It goes on -1 this side. Okay. अब सोच लो क्या है उसके हिसाब से बातें ले लेना. Alright, perfect. Next one. You can repeat. Okay, चलेगा. आ जाओ. Even if you have somebody in the audience, please get them in. जिसको भी आना है आ जाओ. Come on. Alright. Okay, now you all have to dance it. My dance is perfect. Okay, you all have to dance. The dance is perfect. Here we go. Let me see. We can hold it up. Let's have the hook step. Hook step. Here we go. Come on, everything. Well done. Okay, आखिर में बाजी मार ली केदार की टीम ने यार. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Can we all clap a bit louder, please?
और आई चली शर्माती घबराती वो पिया के घर लाती बल खाती वो सुरमई नैना छलकाती वो पिया के घर फरमाती सब चाहती वो
Alright, जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए यार. Amazing energy. अब just for 30 seconds. सिर्फ 30 सेकंड के लिए खड़े होना है. Rise up, come on, everybody stand up. People at the back, come on, and keep your hands free, huh? Keep your hands free. Okay, done. And whatever I say, okay, whatever I say, जहाँ पे बैठे वहीं पे कर सकते हो. Okay, done. Whatever I say, we just have to perform. Okay. First up, I just started this function with 2 questions. Okay, are you happy? Yes. Louder, yes. हाथ ऊपर. Come on, yes. Okay, now second step. Okay, give me a bright smile. Okay, next step, just raise your right hand and say hi. Sabka साथ, louder, everybody together. Come on, hi. All right, make it as a fist. और ऊपर मुक्के मारने. You're gonna say hey, 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 hey 4 बार. Come on, here we go. Hey, 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 hey. Next, take your left hand. Say hello. आवाज, hello. सर की एनर्जी देखो उसके हिसाब से यार. Come on, hello. Make it as a fist. Punch up in the air. You say ho, 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 ho. 4 बार. Come on, here we go. Ho, 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 ho. अभी दोनों हाथ ऊपर. You say hooray. Come on. Loud. Say hooray. Okay, hands are moving to the left side, right side, left, right, and then we clap. Everybody gonna clap. Lovely. Okay, now just raise your right hand in the air. Be ready. And can I have the music, please? Masha louder. Masha loudly. थोड़ा म्यूजिक बढ़ा दो भैया. म्यूजिक वॉल्यूम बढ़ा दो भैया. पंच अप in the air. Come on, एक हाथ. Left side, दूसरा हाथ. Hands up in the air. Come on, right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left side. I love that from here. दोनों हाथ ऊपर. Hands up in the air. आवाज. Move to left side. Right, left, तालियां. Clap. Well done, amazing energy. Well done. Punching it up, yeah. Well done, and please have a seat. Please, best job. Okay, now task number 2 coming your way. Thank you, Shindija. Thank you. Starting point. Okay, and audience, I'm giving you some balloons. Okay, please hold on to one and pass. एक ले लो, pass कर दो. Pass at the back. It's not. It's team लड़की वाले, but to pass it up. जिसको भी मिल जाए, pass. Sorry. Pass. Just take one pass. ले लो, पीछे pass कर दो. Fine, you found the starting point? Okay, now task number 2 is coming. Just take one balloon and pass at the back. जुगलबंदी है, धक्का मुक्की नहीं, आराम से. Okay, done. It's team bride versus team groom. आपके पास एक tape है. You have one tape. So 2 people gonna hold the tape. Like this, starting point and the end point. Suppose I am part of this team, so sir will hold one point and I'll be holding the next point. Okay, one person has to hold the other side. Okay, hold this. Okay, now the other team members, you have to run from here. Audience will blow the balloon. tie it up and keep it with them. Okay, आपको बलून फुलाना है, गांठ मारनी है, अपने पास रखना है, आपको उठना नहीं है. Be wherever you are. Be wherever you are. Okay, no moving, no getting up. Okay, and you have to go from here, go to them, collect one balloon at a time और tape पे चिपकाना है. You have to stick it on the tape. Okay, it's sticky. One side is sticky, right? So you have to stick it directly. Okay. जिसके भी टेप पर सबसे ज्यादा बलून्स रहेंगे, that team will be the winner. बलून फुलाओ, गांठ मारो, अपने पास रखो. That is the only task आप. हाँ? किसी का भी ले सकते हो, जिसका भी मिले उसको लेके आ सकते हो. Okay, done. And you have to stick it on the tape. At the end of 30 seconds, जिसके भी टेप पर सबसे ज्यादा बलून्स रहेंगे, that team will be the winner. You can get as many balloons as possible, stick it on the tape. The team which has more balloons will be the winner. Even you all can move, okay? Sharanya and Keda, you can also move, okay? Or you can hold it up, no problem, okay? Done? कहीं से भी balloon लेके आ सकते हो, no problem, okay? But please make sure space, you have to use this side, that side, whichever safe you find, you use it up, okay? But please यहाँ से balloon यहाँ पे नहीं आने चाहिए. No धक्का मुक्की, only 30 seconds, okay? And please don't move. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें रखी गई हैं, so please take care, okay? Starts now. Come on, one balloon at a time. One balloon at a time. Somebody hold this end, right? Somebody hold this end. Who is holding this? Okay, I'll give you something else. जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी, come on, जल्दी. थोड़ा कुछ म्यूजिक बज सकता है पीछे से. कुछ तो म्यूजिक बजा दो. तो ऐसे आप वहीं पर रहो, स्टेज पे मत चढ़ जाओ. Come on, वहीं पे बैठे रहो. Come on, they will come to you. They will come to you. Come on, no cheating. No cheating, no cheating. Come on, jaldi. Make sure every space is occupied. Come on. The size of the balloon doesn't matter. The size of the balloon doesn't matter. Come on, quicker. Let's speed it up. You can go on the other side and hold the tape. No problem. Come on, jaldi. जब सबसे ज़्यादा balloon रहेंगे तो मुझे बुला लेना. You can go at the back now. Go straight, go straight. Jaldi, come on. Let everybody get involved. Come on. Let me speed it up a bit more higher. Come on. Well done, well done. Come on. You can go wherever you find it. So you have to go on the other side, Anish. Find on the other side. Jaldi, come on. Let everybody give you some balloons and let me count it up as well. Come on. Balloon फुटले तर count नहीं होणार ना. Balloon जर फुटले तर count नहीं होणार. At the end of 30 seconds, we're gonna count it up. Let me see which team wins it up. Come on. One balloon at a time, guys. Come on. जो भी balloon नीचे गिरी उसको भी उठा के लेके जाओ. Come on. Come on. Move this way. Come on, jaldi, jaldi, let everybody get involved. Come on, let me speed it up a bit more. No bursting, no bursting. Come on. Quicker, come on. All right, come on. We still have balloons. Come on, हाथ ऊपर करके दिखाओ. Come on. Balloons बहुत सारे और लोगों के पास है. Come on, jaldi, jaldi. Come on. We still have some balloons. Music चला दो sir. Continue the music. बंद हो गया. Music, hi भैया. Music बजा दो. Come on. Come on, jaldi, jaldi, come on. We see some music in the background as well. And speed it up. Come on, audience, come on, cheer up. तालियां बजा दो, शोर मचाओ. Well, यार, come on, everybody is enjoying. Let me see. फोड़ना नहीं है, आराम से. फोड़ना नहीं, आराम से. Come on, final 10 seconds. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Any more balloons left? No, I suppose. So जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Can we all clap? Well done. Okay. Anish. It goes straight back. पीछे जा. All right. Whoever is there, come closer. Music off, please. Thank you. थोड़ा पास आ जाओ. Come closer. Anish, go back. Go at the back. And the last part अभी नहीं चिपका सकते आप. यहाँ पे स्टेज पे आ जाओ. Go at the back. Okay, now we're gonna count one up. Okay, obvious है लेकिन फिर भी count करना पड़ेगा. जाओ audience, come on. Here we go. Let me count. Okay, count it with me. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Can we all clap for them? 57. We can cut this end and throw the balloons on this side. 57. जीतने के लिए चाहिए 58. क्या लगता है? क्या लगता है? 58 है या नहीं? Okay, नहीं है. Okay, मैं काउंट करता हूँ. Okay, now 58 चाहिए हमको. You can just throw the balloon on the other side, please. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I think so we are less in number. 40, 41, 42, okay. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50 guys. अभी साथ में, अब सब साथ में, okay? 50, साथ में, okay? Come on. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 60, almost all there. Come on. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Well done, okay? Good job. At least cut the end point. Cut the end point and throw the balloon on the one side, please. Okay, the biggest prize you're going to be having it up. Okay? Well done. Thank you so much. And now I think so we are moving for the traditional ceremony. Clap. Taaliyan bajao. Come on, everybody clap along, please. Make some noise as well. Alright, come on, Sharanya. Well done. Thank you so much. Thank you once again. This side, the lunch is being served right at my back. That's on your left side. So the buffet is set up on my left side. So please enjoy the lunch. All right, and the evening high tea will be served at 5:15 p.m. Okay, evening high tea. Okay, chai 5:30 बजे 5:15 बजे चालू होगी. Okay, and we're gonna start with the sangeet at 6 p.m. So please get set. So you may please enjoy the buffet. Thank you.
Excuse me. वो साइड से जाइए, यहाँ से रूटिंग हो रहा है, वो साइड से जाइए। ये बहुत रुकाना इसका फोन था, बोलो ना 2 मिनट।
चालू करके बंद कर दियो।